Hello again, Indian River Club members and residents. I hope everyone is doing well and enjoying the last few weeks of summer. Our latest drone footage gives you a bird's eye view of the golf course. Please enjoy the footage of all 18 holes. All tee boxes were recently finished as celebration sprigs and sod were put down on all tee boxes. The grass is growing. On hole number 8, rock wall was approved. The rocks will stretch from sand to sand. Rocks will be placed about 18 inches below the water and about 18 inches above the water. Beautiful look as you drive into the club. Hard to believe we are less than 7 weeks from playing golf. Hard work continues as we have a few more projects to accomplish. Take care, and we'll talk to you next time.